So there is 2 points that it can happen, right? One is allocation logic. Orders come in, you are batching and you are making a decision. How am I going to cartonize all of these orders that I have in front of me? And at that point, you need to run that box algorithm. Now, running means either your WMS provides you one. I'll tell you, most of them that I've seen out in the market aren't up to snuff because cubing is hard. Um, the second option that you have is to buy an off-the-shelf product or an API solution provider. There are a bunch that are really good out in the market that you could utilize, where you would just send them the information and they would come back and be like, your best recommended set to ship in is going to be these 2 boxes. And they could be a transportation management system or a standalone cartonization API. So those are your 2 choices. The second touch point that you have, first is the allocation, and then the second touch point would be your packing, because a lot of companies are trying to push the decision of label generation to as late in the process as possible to ensure you are meeting the customer commitment. So yes, I want to ship the cheapest transportation label, but I also want to make sure that I meet my customer's commitment. So if there is a date definite delivery, I want to make my label decision at the last